You guys, I'm just going to go ahead and start. I'm Dina. Most of you know me as Dina. If you have ever had me as a student, or maybe in the future you are as a teacher, I'm Miss Rennick. But I'm going to show you this. It's very fun. I was watching a comedian do a lava experiment with his kid yesterday, and it made me think of this. So I had my kid, Willow, who's 20, pick me up some Mountain Dew. We used to do this when I was in college. Make a lava lamp. How are you? Okay, good. So we're gonna do it. So all it is, we used to eat in the the cafeteria, and they had fountain drinks, and you could have as much as you want. And we used Mountain Dew. Probably something else would work, but this is what we used. So I stuck with what I know. And these are just raisins, just cheap raisins from Aldi. So I'm gonna show you how to make a lava lamp. And I tried it last night, and it does work. I didn't know if it would make a difference if it's from a fountain or not, but put in some Mountain Dew. It probably works with a different drink, but this is what I used, and so we'll stick with what we know. And then take some raisins and drop them in, and they fall down to the bottom. And I'm going to bring this closer now. So what happens is the wrinkles catch the bubbles and the raisins come up to the top, but then when they reach the top, the bubbles pop and they fall down to the bottom. So it becomes this Mountain Dew raisin lava lamp. What do you guys think of that? And it goes for a long time. I wonder if it will stay in focus if I go closer. So you can see it is going up and down. Gina, hey, thanks for joining. This is my quick experiment. I used to do it when I was in the cafeteria at school. I think the raisins, we had a, yeah, isn't that cool? So it's really just those two things. And again, you could probably do it with something else, but the lava lamp makes it, it kind of feels sort of groovy with the Mountain Dew. I think we had probably a salad bar, which is probably why we had raisins. And even some of the bigger ones, after a while, they still go up. This takes them a little longer to capture all of those bubbles. So I'm super happy that you came on to watch, and definitely try it. And I did it last night, and I still drank the Mountain Dew and I ate the raisins. So I don't know if you will want to, but it still tasted good. So I thought of it because I was watching a comedian do it with his son, his younger son, and they were doing a lava lamp with vegetable oil, water, food coloring, and Alka Seltzer. And I was like, oh, you know what I used to do when I was in college? This. So you can see it's starting to slow down a little bit. But I just always thought that was awesome. We literally did it like every day. So I don't think it gets old. Yeah, it's good. And then I just kind of like scooped up the soggy raisins and ate it. It's sort of like, I keep talking about peanuts and Coke, but yeah. So it's still going. Let's see if we can see what it looks like above. So I'm glad you guys took a second to join. Lori, hey, look at our lava lamp. It is raisins and Mountain Dew, and that's all. Oh yeah, I'm glad that you love the videos, Pinky. I do it for the kids, but I mean, we're all big kids, so my high school students, I tested on my son, who is 20, almost 21. And if he thinks it's cool, which he totally did last night, then I know it's good for us too. So, yep, I just said, hey, pick me up 2 bottles of Mountain Dew, one for my experiment and one so I can drink it. So I already drank mine, and I'll drink the other one. They do look like weird bugs. So, I'm surprised how long it's going. And if you have to go, have a great day. But I think I'm going to sit here for a little bit and see how long this lasts. What has it been now? Maybe 5 minutes, more or less? I don't know. I should try whipped coffee for the adults. Every adult needs to know about it. Whipped coffee. Is that the coffee that has butter in it? Let me know what whipped coffee is, because I definitely would. 7 minutes. It's still going for 7 minutes. Because I started pretty much right away. It's starting to slow down a little bit, but there's still a few. Let's see if we can get in closer on the... Oh, look at those bubbles. It also looks like a weird aquarium. So whipped coffee, I'm gonna try that. I also just was reading about, I have a lot of dandelions in my yard, and I was reading about ways to use dandelions, and I saw that you can make this drink out of dandelion roots and strawberries and vinegar, and honey or sugar, and then also you can make tea out of it. So I thought I might try that at some point. Oh, I think it is starting to slow down a little bit. How are y'all doing? No butter, just sugar, hot water, and instant coffee whipped together to make kind of like a whipped cream. Pour it over milk and mix. Okay, I'm going to try that. Ashley, hey! It's still going so strong. I love strong coffee. If I buy coffee and it's not strong, like from the store, I just use like twice as much. Ashley, this is raisins and Mountain Dew. And the bubbles catch the wrinkles and bring it up to the surface. And then they pop when they hit the top, and then they fall back down. Good to see you, Ashley. First I saw you yesterday, and now here you are. Yeah, so I will try that because it sounds good. I think a lot of times, like, food and art and science kind of all combine together, right? This has been going on for almost 10 minutes, and it's just still going. Okay, thank you for coming by, Pinky. Thanks for chatting. Have a great day. I'll let you know if I do the whipped coffee one. Or anything else. If there's anything else you guys want me to do, I have it all set up here, so it's easy enough to do different experiments. So if you have something that you think would be a fun video to try, let me know. I'll do it. Yes, Ashley said art and science and math are friends. Stephanie, hey, welcome. This is our lava lamp, our art, science, math project for the day. So we have raisins and Mountain Dew, and I guess we would call it, if we were scientists, we would call it, we would call it carbon dioxide. But the bubbles grab onto the wrinkles, they like kind of sit into the wrinkles, and then bring it up to the surface. And then when we get to the top, the bubbles pop. They go back down and catch some more. I remember, Tammy, hey, look. It's a lava lamp made out of raisins and Mountain Dew. That's it. That's all that's in it. But I remember being in 6th grade. I remember being outside my math teacher's room and saying, do I have to come in? I don't need to know math. And the teacher said, yes, you do. What do you want to be when you grow up? And I said, an artist. And she laughed, and I didn't understand why, but now as an artist, I use math every day. And pretty much in every part of our life, we use math. Maybe not algebra, but lots of math. Andy, hey, Welcome to, it is just starting to slow down. These are raisins in Mountain Dew. They're just starting to slow down because I think the bubbles have kind of started to dissipate. But it's been going now. I don't really know, but I think maybe like 10, 15. Yeah, exactly. It's super easy. It's literally just, I just had my son pick me up some Mountain Dew from the store last night, and it's not even, it's like half a bottle. Put it in there, and then drop some raisins in the bottom. And I mean, it's been going for like 15 minutes now. And I learned it in college, not in a class, just in the cafeteria. We would get the fountain drinks, the fountain sodas, and then the raisins from the salad bar. I have no idea who figured it out. Although a lot of my friends were scientists, so maybe they figured it out. Yeah, a lot of my friends are scientists. Actually, my room at Sumter High is in the science wing. So I'm the only art teacher there, but I am an adopted science person. In my studio, my sculpture class is actually in a converted chemistry lab, which works out great because there's lots of table surfaces and outlets and sinks. So, but yeah, if you have any other things that you think would be fun to see on a video, let me know. And of course, drawing or making things. I haven't done as many sculpture ones, but I do want to do the soda flower one. I do not know how long. Andy said, how long will they keep moving? I don't know. I don't remember because I haven't done this since I was in college, except for last night when I tested it out. And I got, once it slowed down, I started eating the raisins and drinking the soda. Tammy, I'm glad you like it. So I didn't wait to see how long it went, but I think we've been on here for like 15 minutes. I was really thinking it was going to be like 5 minutes, but it just keeps on going. So yeah, Tammy, you guys should try this. All you guys should try it and let me know how you like it or send pictures. You could try, this is all I've ever done. It's just Mountain Dew and raisins, but you could experiment with, Sprite or 7-Up, something clear, or ginger ale. You could see what happened if you put, let's see, it's yellow. So if you put some blue food coloring in, it would turn green. And if you put in some red food coloring, it turn orange. So you could play with color also. I mean, it keeps going. It's like it's speeding up again. I wonder if maybe they change. Maybe they get softer as they go, and I wonder if that affects it at all. Oh, it is slowing down, but it's still working. So I will let it go until it stops, and then I'll let you guys know how long it took. There they are. Is it slowing down? Thank you guys for coming by. Let me know if you try it. Oh, now they're sort of like hanging out at the surface for a little bit longer. I think it's kind of hard to see them from the top. Is it? I gotta see. I gotta kind of bend down. I don't know if you can see it very clear. Like my angle's not good. There we go. Can y'all see that? But thank y'all for coming by. This is something, yeah, if you just have some raisins, I do not know if it works with other things like prunes or dates. You could experiment. But thanks for coming by. And let me know if you try it. And let me know if you want me to try anything else that you hear about. I'll let you know how long this lasts, okay? I love y'all. I hope you're doing good. Happy lava lamp.